Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Rahmatullah. I am a student of LLB second semester. Today my presentation topic is political economy. First of all, we need to know about what political economy means. The term political economy refers to a branch of social science that focus on relationship between individuals, governments, and public policy. It is also used to describe the policies which are set by governments that affect their nation's economics. Adam Smith coined the term political economy. Adam Smith is generally considered the father of economics and the father of political economy, but the term is generally ascribed by a French economist Antoine de Montcreston, who wrote the book Trade the Economic Politics, which translates to the Treaty of Political Economy. In next slide, we discuss primary concern of political economy. The main concern of political economy is to determine the relationship between governments and individuals and how public policy affect society. This is done through the study of sociology, politics, and economics. In next slide, we discuss characteristics of political science. Some of the characteristics or theme of political economy include the distribution of wealth, how goods and services are produced, who own property and other resources, who profit from production, supply and demand, how public policy and government interaction. In next slide, we discuss component of political economies. Political economics is split into two sections: classical political economy and modern political economy. Classical political economics studies the work of philosophers such as Adam Smith, Karl Marx, and modern political economics, on the other hand, studies the work of modern philosophers, economists, and political scientists such as John Keynes, Milton Friedman, or Friedrich Hayek. In our last slide, we discuss the types of political economics. The types of political economics include socialism, which states that any production and wealth would be regulated and distributed by the society. And the second type of political economics is capitalism, where private owners control a nation's industry and trade for profit. And the last type of political economics is communism, the theory where all property is publicly owned and everyone works based on their needs and strength. Yes, sir, this is all from my side. I have done.